What's up, guys? Uh, Start of day two of Power Tour. Today we are going to South Carolina Fairgrounds, and no car events today, really, when it comes to like drag racing or autocross. But we'll still explore. We'll still make a little cool video out of it, and we'll see what we can get into. Let's go.
So to start off our second day, we were looking at cars pretty much all day. This is a really cool original Dodge Demon. Uh, it was just kind of cool to see one of these in real life. One of those cars you kind of never really see. Then we found this Malibu, and man, it was huge, absolutely crazy. Some crazy build that somebody made in their garage, and man, is it kind of crazy and awesome. Then we found this little fox body Mustang. It was a Cobra, so that's pretty cool. Those are pretty rare. You don't see them much. And this beautiful Olds 442, absolutely gorgeous. Um, so one of my favorite cars here was the 442s. I'm a big fan of them. I think they are awesome. And then we found this crazy Duster Demon that had just a crazy setup on it. Absolutely wild. And then we defaced somebody's car. Threw a little Driven by Daniel on there. Um, from here, we found some more cool cars. This video is kind of just all the cool cars I found, I think. But, found another GT500, kind of cool. And a yellow Firebird just sitting. A nice, very, very nice Pontiac GTO. Even with the original windshield wiper fluid bottle there, just a little glass bottle. Found some more cool Roadrunners and such. And then this crazy hot rod with insanely big tires on the back. Absolutely wild how big those things were in real life. Found a little row of first gen Camaros. Personally, my second favorite generation of the Camaros. The second gen's my first. But this blue one was absolutely gorgeous with the Krager wheels on it. It was just a very, very nice looking Camaro. Sitting right next to it was a little black one and a little white one, all keeping each other company, rolling as a group, and parking up together. Found this really nice Chevelle here, or El Camino, my bad. Um, awesome, awesome car. I love El Caminos because they're just crazy. You never see anything like them. Cool little car trucks. Then we found something you don't see. It was one of these big old Mercedes, would be a diesel, I'd imagine, with a little Chevy bow tie underneath the hood. Big old LS just stuffed in, and there's plenty of room for extracurricular activities that they did not partake in. Found this other Camaro, but something was off with it. And it's because it was a first gen built on a Catfish Camaro body. You can really tell with the way that front windshield is and just how the car kind of bends. Nice little old pickup that doesn't really exist. Somebody's crazy backyard project that's just awesome. Then, like I said earlier, my favorite generation of Camaro, the second gen, a beautiful second gen here. The blue with the black stripes, absolutely gorgeous. And then a little Japanese Z, you know, Japanese car here at this big American muscle show. Looked pretty sick, I think, because I love these cars. Interesting wheels on it, but just a gorgeous car in pretty much perfect condition, it seemed. We also found this El Camino in the Chevy booth that was completely electric, and it was just a bolt-in kit pretty much, and it's absolutely insane. They used the bed as the battery holder basically, and it's just a crazy concept with these old cars with the electric engine motors in them. Then we took a little stroll down the gold section, expecting to see some cool stuff. Found this 50th anniversary Hot Wheels Camaro. Absolutely awesome. I absolutely love the fifth gens, and the fact that it's a Hot Wheels fifth gen is pretty cool considering the whole history with Hot Wheels and the Camaro. Next to it was a little C8 and then a big old TRX, kinda out of the ordinary for a group, as they were mostly cars, but that truck is a little cool. Uh, then a basic little Challenger, 2nd gen Corvette, and then next to that is a little, I believe it's a Ford Mustang, yeah, a Mustang right next to it, and then a Suburban next to that. Kinda cool, out of place, but another little truck Blazer, and then a SN95 Mustang. And here's a little dyno run just that I got while we were on our way out. So yeah, that is how our second day at Power Tour went. I know these videos are coming out a little bit late, but I still wanted to get them out as I had the footage. I know it wasn't a crazy video with some crazy autocross or any really crazy events or anything. We did go up and see some racing that I will have in a different video coming up here in the next few weeks or so. But yeah, we did have a good time just looking at all the cars, kind of like a big car show. But yeah, nothing too exciting happened. But I thought I would put together this little video of some of my favorite cars I saw. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and supporting. And I'll see you all very soon. Peace.